Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to learn about bar charts in Excel. So we are going to learn how to do bar chart in Excel. So the first step is to have your data, and then you can proceed. So we are going to answer a question, which is which county or location has the highest average yield. So we have this data, we have the county, and then we have the yields. So we are going to select, so you are going to put the cursor there, Control Shift, and then you remain with holding the control so that you can select the yield, and then Shift, Control, and then go to the recommended charts, and then you can select. So we want a bar chart, and then for the bar chart it has different types, and we're going to select this multicolors. Let's pull it here. So before we do any formatting, so when you click there, you're going to have chart design. So for the chart design, you can change the design of the chart to the one that you want. I will have it here. And then let's have the title. So we are going to have yields per county. Then, so we can do a lot. So in the elements of the chart, you can have the title as primary, horizontal, or vertical. So we can have the axis. But now because already it has been described as yield, we are not going to have it. And then for the data labels, you can change. You can have them, you can either not have them as in center, inside base, outside, or call out. So this one is at least visible. We can have that. So we can go back to see. So for the grid lines, you can change also. You can have them. You can also have a trending line if you are doing the time, if you had time. The other things is you can change the colors. So you can have the colors. So like I can change that color. So you can change the color, and for you to change the color, you click one bar, you highlight one bar, so that now you can change the color. So the colors are going to change according to the one that you have selected, and it is going to be having contrast, so you can change the colors. The other thing that you can do, the format. So let's leave that way. You can also change the chart type, and then we can also have other things here. So here are other types of the chart that you can change. You can also have filters, and you can select all and remove all and have only one. So here you can format the chart area. Let's see what will happen. No solid fill in. Borders, you can also do automatic solid like that. Then you can have this. You can have also the color. You can change here. And then you can also have here some colors change. Then the size you can change, the transparency you can change. You can also format the heading. So that's how you can do bar charts in Microsoft Excel.